Welcome to Beyond Just Money by Kalkine Media, an independent global media house and investor relations group. Please note that this podcast is for information purposes only. It's not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell or hold the stocks of any company or companies or engage in any investment activity under discussion. Kalkine Media is neither licensed nor qualified to provide investment advice through this platform.
Welcome to Beyond Just Money. I'm Manisha, and with me today is the head of content at Kalkine Media, Ms. Nidhi Sinha. Today, we will be talking about the ever-changing landscape of digital marketing. Welcome to the show, Nidhi.
Thank you, Manisha.
A number of significant alterations, innovations, and creations come to the fore every day in the digital marketing space. Nidhi, how essential it is for advertisers to adopt new and innovative digital marketing strategies?
Well, it is quite essential for advertisers to adopt new and innovative digital marketing strategies to basically increase lead generation and conversion rates. The COVID-19 pandemic has further accelerated the transformation in digital marketing. As physical businesses remained shut, a lot of them moved to online platforms. So it's really a good time to understand the latest key trends that are changing digital marketing consumption, review digital marketing activities, and embrace the change for better outcomes.
Right. So could you talk about some latest trends in digital marketing? Let's start with chatbots.
Sure, Manisha. The growing use of digital mode for almost every requirement has led to the development of the chatbots concept. It is basically a computer program that runs on artificial intelligence technology used by companies across industries to offer real-time assistance to online customers. Over the past few years, this tech product has evolved to become the new choice for digital communication as it is interactive, personalized, and cost-effective.
And what role do the influencers play?
See, if there is a choice between a short video and a 300-word article, the majority are likely to choose a video, and that too by an influencer. Influencer marketing is the newfangled strategy of video marketing. Engaging stories and reels by a popular influencer on social media networks such as YouTube, TikTok, and Snapchat have proved to be an innovative and effective way to endorse products to potential customers. The greater the number of followers an influencer has, the bigger the market share will be for the business.
Another trend that is fast catching on these days is voice search, right?
Based on speech recognition technology, voice command or voice search is fast becoming the most preferred tool for search marketing as it is easier and simpler to use. Smart speakers such as Alexa, Google Home, Amazon Echo, or Google Voice Search for Virtual Assistant answer users' search queries as per voice commands. Due to a change in digital marketing consumption, online marketers are already planning to make use of voice search-friendly content and pull in more leads from the digital population.
And what about social media?
Well, we all know that digital screen time in the last 1.5 years has shot up owing to the COVID-19 lockdowns and restrictions. People remained locked in their homes with their gadgets basically. Virtual space, particularly social media platforms, then became our only source of entertainment as well as a medium of interaction with the outside world. At the same time, it became a source of income for most businesses. Companies have made huge profits even during lockdowns due to improved brand visibility via new modes of marketing on social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. These trending elements have garnered all the attention of online users as they make the digital world easier, simpler, and more relevant in the present time. With the right implementations, small firms can also achieve the same impactful outcomes that larger brands have been enjoying if they implement the whole technology aspect right. Another key trend that has emerged, Manisha, is display advertising. The usage of banners and liquid skins has become a new trend in visual advertising. The incorporation of videos and ad banners increases customer engagement. Moreover, it allows marketers to use information collected from previously visited websites and present them with customized ads. To sum up, it is important to stay up to date with the key trends if you want your business to have an edge over others in the digital market.
Thank you, Nidhi, for sharing your insights with our listeners.
Thank you, Manisha. Always a pleasure to be on this show.
To listen to this podcast again, log on to calkinemedia.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you soon with yet another insightful episode of Beyond Just Money. Till then, as we say, stay apprised and invest wise with Calkine Media.
Our listeners are requested to make their own inquiries about any investments, and Calkine Media strongly suggest that the listeners seek advice from a financial advisor, stockbroker, or other professional as necessary. Calkine Media hereby disclaims any and all the liabilities to any listener arising from any use of the information shared or discussed in this podcast. This podcast is available for personal and non-commercial use only.